Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Mitsubishi Outlander ES, stock reference number 5538. The shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 7th month 2021 and has a 4J12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 4J12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, bonnet has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the centre garnish for the tailgate, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's finished with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.